GM, General Motors and Honda Motors joint venture begins hydrogen fuel cell production. A joint venture between General Motors and Honda Motor Co. has begun producing hydrogen fuel cells at a plant in Michigan, USA. GM and Honda said hydrogen and fuel cell technology will play a key role in cutting greenhouse gas emissions from their vehicles, as well as improving mobility. The fuel cell manufacturer, FCSM, plant will build fuel cells that the two automotive manufacturers will use in various product applications and business ventures. Now, hydrogen is produced by green energy. This can be solar or wind. This is used to generate hydrogen, which is stored in a vehicle. The hydrogen is then released, passed through a fuel cell and generates electricity. So it's an ideal way of storing fuel on board a car that actually works on electricity. Now is the time to invest in Honda Motor Co., HMC and General Motors, GM. I've done some analysis for both companies and they're all looking pretty good. The 52-week range for Honda is $24.41 to $36.82, and General Motors is $26.30 to $42.63. General Motors are currently sitting at $38.56, Honda $34.36. Dividend payout is 2.56% for Honda and 0.93% for General Motors. The price to earning ratio is 8.18% for Honda, which is less than the sector average of 17.5%. And for General Motors is also an attractive ratio of 5.27, which is less than the sector average of 17.5. The price to book ratio, Honda is 0.69. Anything below 1 indicates the company is undervalued with respect to assets and liabilities. General Motors 0.65. As we said, anything below 1 indicates the company is undervalued with respect to assets and liabilities. So, General Motors and Honda, they're stepping into the future with hydrogen and actually starting production. So now I would suggest, and I'm going to be a great time to get into the hydrogen industry by investing in two well-known and well-respected auto manufacturers, that being GM, General Motors, and Honda. So this isn't investment advice, this is just an illustration of my thoughts and what I'm going to do, because hydrogen is definitely going to play a very big part in the green fuel industry of the future, and I think may even take over electric cars being hydrogen powered. Hope you found this interesting. Till next time, I bid you a really successful investing adventure.